स्वागत है आज के इस ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल में, जिसमें मैं बात करने वाली हूँ हाउ टू लिव अ स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइफ। यू मस्ट बी वॉन्डरिंग व्हाई स्ट्रेस फ्री। यस, मैं आपकी दोस्त सुनीता आपका स्वागत करती हूँ आज के इस मॉड्यूल में, जिसमें हम बात करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द रीजन फॉर स्ट्रेस which is really obvious for small kid to a most aged one who have lived his whole life. The stress in our life are different type, like mental stress, physical stress, and social stress also nowadays. So how we can come more of this kind of lifestyle? So जैसे हम सुनते हैं हमेशा, चिंता चिता के समान होती है, तो हमने चिता को जैसे ढोना पड़ता है वैसे ही चिंता को हम ढो रहे हैं। तो हमने ऐसे समझ के चल रहे हैं हम कि वी हैव स्ट्रेस इन लाइफ। ओके, तो हमने स्ट्रेस को क्या किया है, प्लेस किया है हमारे मे बी माइंड में, हमारे हार्ट में या हमारे बॉडी में। तो इस स्ट्रेस को सबसे पहले हम मैनेज कैसे करना है, ये जब हम सीख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है हम उसे बहुत कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट समझ के अपने पास रख के उसको मैनेज करना चाह रहे हैं, जबकि ये हमारे लिए बिल्कुल अच्छी बात नहीं है। स्ट्रेस इज अ बैड थिंग, इट्स अ harmful thing. So why we want to manage it? Instead we can work by our mind not to have stress in our life. Okay, हम हमारे लाइफ में स्ट्रेस को जगह क्यों दे, प्लेस क्यों करें? तो देखो, जब माइंड किसी चीज को ले लेता है तो जनरली हम लोग सबको पूछते हैं कि वेयर डू यू फील स्ट्रेस, तो वो कहते हैं हमारे हार्ट में, हमारे माइंड में, समटाइम्स दे से कि हमारे बॉडी में पूरा स्ट्रेस है। तो एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस को हमने प्लेस किया है। जब हम एनएलपी का थॉट देते हैं तो जिस किसी चीज को हम प्लेस करेंगे एंड इफ इट इज हार्मफुल, तो नेचुरली बॉडी don't understand what is good and what is bad. So what it does, it creates that pressure on us. तो टेंशन, प्रेशर, एंगर, इरिटेशन, ये फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रेस बन जाते हैं हमारे लिए। ओके, तो हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे कि हम इस स्ट्रेस से कैसे उबर पाए। तो देखिए, मेंटल फिजिकल स्ट्रेस के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले मेंटल। तो जब भी हम बात करें स्ट्रेस हमारी वजह से आया है, ये सोचना बहुत गलत हो जाएगा। बिकॉज वेन एवर देर इज समथिंग बैड रॉन्ग हैपन्स, लेट वी लर्न आउट ऑफ इट, लेट वी थिंक दैट व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, क्या गलत गया, क्या गलत हुआ, कैसे मैं इसको करेक्ट कर सकती हूँ, हाउ आई कैन करेक्ट इट। सो दैट वे, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग इट पर्सनली एंड गोइंग डाउन एंड फीलिंग वेरी गिल्ट और रिजेक्टेड और डिजेक्टेड, why can't we think about ki, okay, something has happened which went wrong, which went very bad, which went maybe harmful, maybe a loss. So let us give a thought to it. जब भी हम thought करेंगे तो naturally action will be taken by us. तो stress को हमें क्या करना है, we need to encounter it, we need to actually कन्फ्रंट विथ इट। जब भी हम स्ट्रेस को कहीं समझ के कहीं रख देंगे, प्लेस कर देंगे, तो नेचुरली इट इज गोइंग टू हार्म अस मोर। इट विल टेक इट शेप एंड वेट एंड वॉल्यूम मोर एंड मोर डे बाय डे इन द कमिंग फ्यूचर टू। सो हमें सबसे पहले स्ट्रेस को प्लेस करना बंद कर देना है। सेकेंडली, हमें स्ट्रेस को इनकाउंटर करना है, कन्फ्रंट करके कि व्हाट कैन बी डन। Okay, in case if it is irreversible loss, just think about, yes, I have learned out of it, now this is not going to happen from me or by me. So it's a learning. देखो, life is all about learning. When you learn, actually you get benefit, you get that confidence of living more. That is the first thing mentally. Second thing is how we are actually working towards maybe forming our state. Like I'm talking about, are we in a beautiful state, are we in a positive state, are we in a high energy level state, or we are starting like, oh my goodness, once again again a new day, oh my god, again that same boss, again that family, again that household work, these, that. So are we starting our day with the most drowsy, most reluctant, most hesitant, most unfavorable, unpleasant, not so in a boring way, or we are starting our day with a okay, let's do it, let me be responsible for my work, let me contribute, let me, instead of that हम जब भी सोचेंगे कि अगर मुझे कुछ भी करने लायक नहीं है तो मैं what I am going to do. Naturally, you are so fortunate that you have something to do. There are so many people who even don't get. In case if you feel you are not liking your job, you are not in love with your job, please make some good changes, better changes for giving that trigger. Yeah, contribute, let me have it more, let me do it more, so that way we can go ahead. Motivation, okay, self motivation. I'm not asking that you need to prove yourself to somebody that what you are doing, how you are doing, and you will get that appreciation, clapping, or recognition. Do it for yourself. If you are getting that joy, yes, I have done my role so positively, so strongly, so dedicatedly, so that's a joy, that's a satisfaction, because doing something, able to do, eligible to do, capable to do is best thing for us. It is nothing but our competence. So if you are a competent person, don't worry about the outcome, result of it. Do it your 100% and see. And many times the contribution or role of others may not be way, it may not have contributed the way you wanted, but sometimes it is uncontrollable factor. So in case if somebody is doing intentionally or unintentionally, let them pay the price for it, but you do your best. Okay, so that's a way that don't take stress. There are you know conditions, situations, events, people, or sometimes our own maybe incompetence or unpreparedness or not so confident. So these are responsible for creating or stating some stress in our life. So if it is event, look back. If anything happening in with you in your life, that maybe have some reason for it. So just think about what this have taught me, what I have learned from this. When you look back, you become so mature, you become so good to deal with all this. So that way you can think about any event, give some good meaning to any event or situation or condition. Turn your this kind of things into your opportunity to learn, opportunity to upgrade yourself, and it will make your journey quite interesting further. When it comes to person, it's really difficult having a person in your life and having no person in your life. Both are guilty to each other. So if you have any person in your life and you feel it's not they are not really working like the way you want, it's absolutely right, because nobody can unique or nobody can change for sake of you. It's we that we need to adjust, adapt, and go further. The nature law is there, survival of the fittest. If we can survive and if we can make ourselves fittest to the maybe any person, then we can move ahead. We cannot put on blame, or we cannot just ignore every time everybody, or we cannot force every time, we cannot reject people from our life. So we have to change ourselves, we have to move further, make those people in your life somehow funny creature, somehow somebody whom you feel, oh, it's okay, you make me more aware, you make me more perfect, you make me more serious, more sensible, and give that kind of attributes to that person, maybe that stretch quality of that person. So always take it positively, that because of some people your life is getting turned, your life is getting transformed, and that way we can really make more positive result in our life. The last but not the least, that is physical stress. So why this physical stress comes? Because if you are working on maybe 10 or 12 hours, it is mandatory to take at least 5 to 7 minute break just after every 1 hour. Because as you are just in a constant and stable in one position or posture, that really give the strain and stress on your muscles. So why not to go, you know, just take another position, some other place, maybe your visitors room. Just be there, take a deep breath, look at trees. Okay, then if you can't, just close your eyes, don't think about now your work, just think about what best you are going to enjoy today. Maybe some parties waiting for you, maybe meeting with some very old friend, maybe you are offering some surprise to anybody, or something which have given you that pleasure. So that pleasant thing need to be remind to yourself, or you can just go inside your own self, taking a deep breath to the place where you have visited, and it has given you that natural blessing, nature, grace, and that you need to remind yourself, and you feel so fresh. So it is just a 5-7 minutes. So do you know, when we meditate even for 5 or 7 minutes, it gives us tremendous energy to work further in our day. Okay, so that way we can help us to have our life free from stress. In fact, we should not place stress in our life, and we need to move on, keep on doing the things, going on and working on. And that's the way of life. Because when you see natural phenomena like river, like so many things, sun, they have that, coming on time, being in work, and irrespective of any odd thing. So why not we cannot get this aspiration, inspiration from nature, to be with your own self, to do your own work, to contribute for your own sake. Okay, and that joy will minimize your all these challenges of life, like stress. Okay, so stress is not something like it is beyond your control. In fact, you can make it, not to create, not to store, and not to give a importance to it in your life, by doing, by acting, by performing, by contributing in a very positive and right way. Thank you so much for being with me for this wonderful module, and have a nice time ahead. Thank you.